Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove archived box from top of WhatsApp. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So here we can see the archived box. To remove this archived box, click on this three dot icon to the upper right hand corner and click on settings and click on chats and scroll down. Then here we can see archived chats. Keep chats archived, so we have to disable this option, and then here we can see the archived box has been removed, and after removing the archived box you will get messages from those people you archived before. So this is how we can remove archived box from top of WhatsApp. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.